Hello again and welcome to another episode of Formpipe in Focus. Today I've got with me Nick Collard, who's ERP Partner Sales. Hi Nick.
Hi Joe, good to be here.
Thank you for joining us today. So tell us a little bit about yourself, Nick.
Yeah, sure. So I've been involved in the ERP space for around about 6-7 years now. Always had a background in IT, moved from, let's say, off the tools into sales, which has served me well as in understanding requirements of customers and how they can be applied to a software application. In relation to Formpipe, this is actually my second time around. So I was previously with Formpipe for 4.5 years, left to take a year out to actually work with one of our implementation partners, so our service provider, which was, I would say, an excellent period of time in understanding some of the challenges involved in projects rather than just being a sales guy selling solutions, actually seeing it from an implementation perspective and also from a customer project perspective. This time around at Formpipe, I've slightly different role, whereas previously I was involved in the FSCM space. But now my role is very much focused on Business Central and acquisition of partners and engaging with our existing partners.
Okay, excellent. So how does your sort of day-to-day look like?
Well, yeah, I work in sales, so I guess there's really no typical day-to-day. But primarily my responsibility is to engage with our partners. So both existing partners, so making sure that they have the knowledge of the capability that our solution provides to their end customers. But equally engaging with new partners, let's say. So identifying, engaging, having conversations, trying to understand what their challenges are in their particular projects, but more importantly, what are the problem areas that their customers are looking to actually resolve with a solution such as Lasernet.
So I know you're focusing this time round on BC. Can you tell me how Lasernet fits into the BC world, as it were?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, good question, clearly. So looking at the BC marketplace, there's a number of ISV providers, let's say. It's quite a crowded marketplace. So there are small point solutions. Let's say if a customer just wants to provide beautification of the standard documents that come out of Business Central. And when I'm talking about documents, I'm talking about customer facing documents. So things like invoices, sales orders, that type of thing. I think really where Lasernet differentiates itself is with the ability to provide a mechanism for complex distribution. So what I mean by that is, let's say that a customer might have a requirement to send a personalized email to their customer or vendor, but at the same time actually send a document in a different format. So that might be, I don't know, an EDI file, that might be integrating with web services to push a document up to a portal. So it's all about the multi-channel distribution in different formats is really where Lasernet comes into its own.
So how do partners benefit from working with Formpipe in this area?
Yeah, good question. And as you know, Joe, we are a partner-first organisation. So what I mean by that is that we have the processes in place to support our customers, and that starts from onboarding, that starts with training, and it also facilitates support throughout their customer projects. But more importantly, it enables our customers to actually realise their end customers' requirements. Equally, because of the fact that Lasernet is external to the core business systems, then there's no customization required of those core business systems, which will facilitate, for example, easier upgrades in the future. So again, it assists our customers to deliver value to their customers, but equally not include complication in terms of customization of the core business system. So there's a facet and a multitude of different reasons why Lasernet is valuable to our customers, but ultimately it's about meeting the challenges of their customers.
Excellent. Well, thanks very much for coming in today and talking to us, Nick.
Pleasure. Yeah, enjoyed it. Thanks, Joe.
Thank you. And thanks to everybody who's watching along with us today. If you want more information about the partner network, you can check that out on our website, www.formpipe.com, and also some more information about Lasernet's BC connector. So until next time, goodbye.